Alright, we're back. So this tutorial, I'm going to show you about how to animate the running cycle, right? So I'm going to straight away jump to the action on how to animate the running cycles. So same method that we have used for the walk cycle. So channel box, um, right click, select all the controllers. I've still got some here, so I'm just going to delete this right now. Once you select all the controllers, because you hit the S key, right, this will keyframe that, and then you start updating the running cycles. So running cycles basically, the hip is basically up high. So I think I'm in the let me check the character controller. I'm in the full body mode, so I'm going to change to the body part mode so I can lift the hip high up a bit, because when you're running you're actually kind of like, you know, kind of jump at the same time you're pushing your body. So, and also I want to like do some kind of poses like this. Okay, usually like for the leg itself, just maybe you can edit. The thing about running cycle is that both legs is not touching the floor. See, it's not. If you look at the right view, see, it's not. I can't see the floor. It's not touching the floor. Alright, so perspective view. So going back here. Oh, ouch. So I'm gonna rotate the legs, the back. Just make sure you check the alignment here. You might want to change the knee angle here maybe a bit. Alright. And also the front knee angle. So depending on what kind of running you want to do. Usually the hip is kind of like you are leaning forward, because you are actually putting momentum and pushing your body in front. It's kind of funny thing going on here, that the body is kind of like really straight. So I'm gonna turn on the bone here, and I'm gonna actually rotate this part of the bone here, so it's kind of like I'm bending in front of it, and also this one. Okay, so of course when you're running, your head need to look in front of it. Okay, so I'm gonna hide the bone again, and wow, quite nice. It's like I believe I can fly. So again, by the hand. So I'm not going to waste my time adjusting the hand. You can adjust with the hand fisting. Some people run with the fist close. Some people, run with the hand like a karate chop kind of style. Oops. So yeah, I can rotate this here. Right. Don't forget that you can also adjust the elbow. Need to be going up. So this is going front. It looks kind of nice, right? So he's like, oh, something is chasing him. So, oh yeah, you need to over exaggerate the whole backbone here to be like so. Then it will really look dramatically, like so. See, it's like quite a strong poses here. You can also still over exaggerate the twist of the backbone, but don't forget to straighten the head out a bit. Still need to look where it's running, right? So another part is the hip here. You can also add a bit of rotation here, then build it back like so. Nice. Alright, so that is the verse, right? So just to make sure again, so I just like press S there, and then I'm going to, okay, with the running from left to right is going to be fast. So from my experience, I think 10 would be good. Right, so press S there, then I'm gonna go back and do the same process, which is just the opposite of each other. So push it back. So now this leg is in front, like a ballet arena there. Just gonna go back and forth just to mark where I placed it. So place it here. Definitely missed the mark. Miss the mark again. Somewhere around there, because the leg should be centered. Knees apart. Right, knees apart. Ah man, right. Just make a mistake there. I'm gonna select all objects and delete this, and should stop at frame 10. Right, you need to always watch out where you're pointing and where you stop at the timeline there. Knee on the side. Let's see. Okay, let's change the hip now to the opposite direction. Let's straighten it up. This should be rotating the opposite, and head straight up. Okay, now it's time to change the hand. The hand's gonna go in front. Okay, you get the idea. Alright, so if I play this, I wanna bring this to the center a bit. Alright, so I have mine set. Okay, can switch to full body. Just select one and press S. I can select this and copy, and then paste at frame 20. Okay, let's see what we have. Alright, so I'm just gonna, for now, there's something to start with. So I'm gonna drop to frame 20. So this is the speed that we are going for. Right now it looks funny because he's running on air. So that's where we go to the center here, right? Whatever legs is in front, which is this leg, the left leg, somewhere on the center from between 1 to frame 10. It should be landing on the floor. Alright, so put it down, put it on the floor. Alright, and then you can bring down these the hip here to kind of like support it. So this going up, then when it reaches to the center, it goes down because it lands, and the whole kind of mass weight of the body here kind of fall into this leg, so it should be going down. Like, oh shit, I'm going down. Right, then it goes. Go back to the center here. This leg, the right leg, should be hitting the sack. And pelvis, the hip should be going down. Down, man. Alright. So, oh, yeah, I'm running. It's not really too down. You can actually exaggerate that. You see, now we have some kind of motion there. You see, look at that. It's running. Okay. Still, you can tweak as much as you want to get it nice. But this is a very good starting point from one pose to another pose, and the timing is, I think, is good enough. Right? So basic running. So another thing that we can do is the head. See the head and the shift control, select this one and this one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like, when you land, kind of like your head is kind of, body can go down, and you have like, you might want to like change that bit. Yeah, it's kind of heavy, so we kind of like put it down a bit and put it down a little bit, and you kind of have it like, oh, running. I'm running my ass off, my ass, the ass. Alright, so yeah, there you go. A basic running. You can go a few more passes here, do more enhancement, especially at the leg here. It looks finished, but actually if you really want to go detail, like when it hits the floor, you can add I'm gonna go to the body part here. I'm not gonna key all of this. I'm just gonna go now. Once I finish blocking out all of this, now I'm going part by part. I'm not concerned of basically keyframing all. So these are all the main poses. I'm just doing the like kind of sub poses here. So copy, just retain this a bit, paste. See the leg is still there, but I'm going to change this. I'm going to change this motion. It's going to go slightly up. It's going to be like, hey, I'm lifting it up. Maybe somewhere in the back here. Yeah, now I'm stepping. See, this leg is so much different. This is more better now. Like, yeah, I'm bending it. I'm bending my toes. So this one is not bending. Something wrong, right? So again, copy this. Go back to 17 and paste this. Right? Just put it over here. Just drag that up. And then just put it down on the floor. So, right, so, yeah, I'm stepping and I'm lifting. Who cares? Right, so there you go. If I play this, look at that leg. Very nice running motion. Right? You can still go, you know, more intense. You can go more deep, another level by adjusting the curve. Like selecting some part here and then go to the animation. Sorry, the Windows animation editors, graph editor here. Then you can start to play with this bad boy. Refining the curve. Like you can have it as nice slow in and slow out. Let's say we are dealing with what? We are dealing with this is what rotation? Let's check. Wait a minute. This is a green color, so it's a Y. So rotation on Y. Yeah, you can play on this. You can play this up. Select this. Just like that. What's the tangent there? Oops. This is right. You can play with all this. Right click on it. Break tangent. But there's no tangent. Right, so yeah, you get my point. Right. Okay, so I don't know why there's no tangent here, but yeah, alright. So you get my point here. So you can adjust this. Okay, to whatever you want. And then you can finalize the animation. Then you have this nice animation here. Alright, so that's all for walking cycle. Good luck with your assignment and submit your work. Alright, bye bye.